Hi guys, this is John from AudaCity Capital, the head of trading. Hope you're all well. So, just to finish off the week, today I'd like to talk about one of our traders who's also hit his target of 10%. His name is Kevin. Um, he was managing 10,000 US dollars. He's a trader on the Funded Trader program, so he started on a $10,000 trading book on the 22nd of January this year. So first month of the year, towards the end, he started with us, and he hit his target just, I believe, 1 or 2 days ago. So let's talk about how he, yep, on the 16th it was, 16th of April. So let's talk about his journey going from 10 to 20,000. Okay, how he traded the markets, and yeah, just sort of like see how he managed to progress to the next stage. So as you can see, it took him, so 22nd of Jan, so that's February, March, April, so it just took him around 3 months, okay, so a quarter. And I always say normally it would take a quarter for someone to make 10%, or we expect traders to hit 10% every quarter. Of course, if you could do it in a less period of time, even better. And as of late, as you might have seen from my videos talking about traders who are on the Funded Trader program of us who hit target, it took them less than a quarter because the market conditions have helped. It's made it more feasible for them to do so. Now, as you can see here, he's been trading a lot of pound. He's been trading gold, cross pairs, major currency pairs. So he is, I think he specializes in a few currencies and gold in the markets. So that's how he, yep, there we are, gold again. So that's how he managed to get to his 10%. So let's look at the volume, let's look at the exposure. So he started off trading at 0.1, 0.2 sometimes. He's kept it below 0.3, which is the maximum exposure you could have on a $10,000 trading book. He's lowered the volume, increased the volume as he's gone along. As you can see there where it says size, okay, you know, he's kept it relatively small. Now, let's go back here, okay, that's up to date. Yeah, so as you can see, you know, he's managed the risk very well, okay. He's gone up, he's gone down, he hasn't always gone in big volume. Now, in terms of the currency pairs, as I mentioned, pound pairs, gold, and other cross pairs and major currency pairs. So in regards to this, I would like to mention he was called out by the risk management team. He has been warned not to do this again. So here at AudaCity Capital, we don't believe in just cutting people short. So if you do break the rules with us, you do make a mistake. You know, we are genuine about it, depending on, you know, the circumstances it's been done in. We are going to allow him to go to the next stage, which we have. We've paid him and doubled his account, as you guys can see. You know, withdrawal of the profit, paid, and now we've added another 10, so he's managing a $20,000 trading book. So he has been given a second chance, and he has been warned not to break the rules on this opportunity. But we have paid him, we have doubled his account, and we have kept him on board with us. So, you know, we are genuine. We're not looking to cut people short or just say goodbye as soon as you make the first mistake. That's not how we operate. So yeah, you know, but obviously don't take that for granted and go and make mistakes. That's not what we're encouraging here. But we're just saying that, you know, we are genuine and we will give second chances. So as you can see, he's had big wins in the market, actually. He's had, you know, from the trades of the last couple of months, he's had big wins, small losses, okay, as you can see. So he's won some, lost some, but his wins were normally a lot bigger than the profits, okay. So he's won more on the winning trades, lost less on the losing trades. Now, this is, again, this is very good. This is a good sign, okay. So if we can see you're doing well, okay, and you are making money in the market with us, you know, we are happy to give flexibility and leeway later on. So with Kevin, I'm pretty sure later on when he goes on to stage 3 or 4, if he was to, you know, request authorization to trade commodities or even indices, as he mentioned to me personally, we are going to be happy to approve it potentially, depending on his performance for the next couple of stages. Because if someone's making money in the market, we're not going to hold them back or her back. Okay, guys? So as you can see, okay, this is how he's done it. Took him just a quarter or so, okay, to hit his 10%. Pound is suspended. The suspension will be lifted soon, so it's not a major issue. But moving forward, he won't be allowed to do that for the time being, of course, just like all the rest of our traders. And yeah, so this is Kevin. Congratulations, 3 months, hit his 10%. Now on stage 2. Hopefully he will do well, and he won't break the rules this time, and he will make money in the markets. And I look forward to talking about his progression to stage 3 once he makes his 10% on stage 2, and we pay him and double the account size. Thanks very much, guys. And again, I'd like to mention, it took him 3 months, okay? Just on a final note. It's not about how long it takes, okay? Like I said, we don't have a gun to your head. We're not pressuring you. We're looking for a long-term relationship with our traders here at AudaCity Capital. So don't rush things. You will make money. Trade properly. Right risk management. Don't break the rules, please. And you will get there. Thanks very much. Bye for now.